Welcome, I'm Dr. Melina Roberts, and I'm going to talk today about the benefits of deep breathing exercises. So I'm a big fan of incorporating deep breathing exercises into our lives and making sure that we do this on a daily and regular basis because there's lots of great benefits to deep breathing exercises. Now I want to talk about three main benefits of deep breathing exercises. Now, one great benefit of deep breathing exercises is that it helps to improve lung function. Now, what happens is that we just tend to be really shallow breathers. We tend to just breathe with the upper lobes of our lungs. But what happens is that when we do these deep breathing exercises, we use the full lung capacity. And when we use our full lung capacity, we help to improve the function of the entire lungs. It allows us to not just be breathing with the upper lungs, the upper lobes, that we're actually using the full capacity of the lungs. And when we do this, we actually help to improve lung function. Another benefit of deep breathing exercises is that we help to shift the body into a more parasympathetic state. Now, what I mean by that is that we have these two parts of our nervous system. It's two parts of this unconscious nervous system. And one is called our sympathetic nervous system, which is more our stress state. And then we have our parasympathetic nervous system, which is our rest, digest, and repair. So it helps to shift our body from that stress state more into that parasympathetic nervous state, which is more our relaxed state. And when our body is more relaxed, then we can better rest, we can get into a better sleep state, we can better digest the foods that we're eating, and our bodies are able to better repair our cells, and our body is also better able to detoxify. So by helping to shift that body and more easily move into that parasympathetic state, we actually help to improve many different functions in the body. So this is a key factor, shifting our body into that parasympathetic nervous state. And another benefit of deep breathing exercises is that it helps to oxygenate every cell in our body. So breathing, the important factor is that it helps to bring oxygen into our cells, and it also helps to move CO2 out of our cells. And when we move that oxygen in, it helps our body to do aerobic metabolism. So aerobic metabolism means that we need oxygen in order for that metabolism to happen. And when we don't have enough oxygen coming into our bodies, then it actually promotes anaerobic metabolism. So that's metabolism that happens without oxygen. And when we're promoting anaerobic metabolism, that actually is in an environment that cancer cells thrive in, and chronic infections will thrive in that more anaerobic metabolism. And so when we shift the body into more aerobic metabolism, because we have more oxygen in the body, then we can actually help to move the body into a more regular metabolism that helps to promote health and healing. Now, another thing that improved oxygenation helps to do is it actually helps to affect the pH of the body. Now, when our body gets to be more acidic, and if it becomes more acidic because we're eating more processed foods that have increased in sugars, if we're having wheat or cow's dairy, or if we're having an increase in toxic load, that all increases inflammation in the body and makes our body more acidic. And when our body is more acidic, that pH is a bit lower. And by increasing the oxygen, we actually help to alkalinize the body. So we actually help to shift the pH in the body when we do these deep breathing exercises. So this is something that's also really important and beneficial for us to be doing deep breathing exercises. And we can be doing these exercises anywhere at any time. So one of the great ways to do that is to do 5 counts in through your nose and 5 counts out through your mouth. And try to incorporate these deep breathing exercises for about 10 minutes a day will have huge physiological benefits on your health. So these are just some benefits of deep breathing exercises. I encourage you to incorporate these into your daily lives because it's going to have such great physiological benefits on how our bodies function. So thank you so much for listening. I encourage you to share this with your friends, to press the like button, to make a comment below, and until next time, continue to learn, grow, and build health.